Want to catch young people's attention? Packaging design matters. Minimalist, colorful, impactful, creative, national trend, and fun. Here are 6 packaging features young consumers love. First, minimalist and flat design. Simple and clear packaging looks modern and fresh. Second, useful colors. Bright and bold colors catch the eye and express energy. Third, strong visual impact. Unique shapes and designs helps product stand out. Fourth, creativity and personality. Interactive or transferable packaging attracts young buyers. Fifth, national trend elements. Combining culture with modern style builds emotional connection. Finally, fun packaging, playful designs, make shopping an enjoyable experience. Use these trends to connect with young consumers and boost your brand. Contact Custompackaging to customize your own unique boxes today.